today I have filmed a wee, not a wee, I need to stop saying the word wee. Hello folks, so today I am going to film this wee tutorial and yeah, it's all pinky, so Valentine's Day and all that, if that's what you want to do. Yes, so I hope you really enjoy the video. So the palettes I'm going to be using today are the James Charles / Morphe and the Kaylee MUA / palette. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to go in with is Unruly. And I'm dumping this down into the middle of the crease and keeping it nice and tight to where my natural crease is. And we're just trying to build the colour up. We're not worried about blending at the minute. Then when there's nothing left on your brush, you're slightly blending it up, just so there's not as harsh of a line. So we're going in with the colour Skip. So with that super bright pink, we're just taking it slightly higher than what we took that last colour. And we're kind of blending it half into Unruly, half above it. Once again, concentrating on getting the colour down and then really softly just kind of feathering it out a wee bit. Okay then, so then this super pale pink shade, I'm just taking that in a wee fluffy brush, and this is going to be closest to our brow bone. So we're just taking that super pale pink and using it to blend out the really bright pink. And it kind of looks like nothing's there, but you just need it to help diffuse how bright that first one is. Okay, so then once you've got your main colours down, I'm just going to go back through them all again to intensify them all. Is it filming right now? I didn't realise it was still filming. So I'm just taking that super bright pink again, and this time round we're concentrating on blending it more. Then back again with Unruly. Lovely. I'm taking this tiny wee brush. This is the Kaylee brush SK03, super small. And I'm going to use a mixture, I'm going to go back and forward between Unruly and Sacrifice, this really dark purple shade, just to deepen the crease more. And it's getting tucked right in where the natural crease is. Then for the last time, I'm going in with that really bright pink and with the pale pink. So this is your blend at the minute, and now we're going to use our P. Louise base to cut the crease. And I'm just using the shape of the brush to help me sketch out the shape. And as you can see, I'm using really small wee motions. I'm not trying to do it all in one big swoop. So then you've got a really harsh line here. I just take a finger and kind of tap that edge before I start trying to blend eyeshadow over the top of it. And this will stop that base going absolutely everywhere. Okay, so I'm going in with that really bright pink and just starting to build it up slightly here. Unruly again. And you're using the same colours that you used in through the crease here, just to try and blend into the concealer out to how dark you have it here. So now I'm going in with a Peaches and Cream pigment, and this is Crush, and it's just a nice pinky shade. And to lay it down onto my lid, I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. So I'm just putting that glitter primer where I have carved out a crease, and then just packing it on. You're going to go back in to blend this out again. And the pink shade. So once you've got all this lovely blendiness going on, you're going to go in with P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Winter Rose. And this is my first time using this today. I done it to do this ombre liner over here, and I'm just taking it in a wee angled brush. So you're just doing it the exact same you would do with a black liner. Like so. Then on the same wee brush with the pale shade that we used to blend out this, you're going to pack that on just on top of the P. Louise base. Then the exact same thing with the really bright shade, just drop it right in the middle this time. And just kind of swiping across into that lighter shade is enough to blend it out. Then for your very inner corner, you're going to go in with Unruly on the same wee brush. Then we're going to go in with the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and this is in the shade Grind. And we're just kind of popping it over the inner section of that crush pigment and trying to keep it off our ombre liner that we done, because we want to try and keep it matte. Okay, so then for mascara, I'm using the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. And this is one of these looks where you need to trust the process. I don't think this is blended enough here. Okay, so I just finished off my eyes by using the same colours I did on the top for the under eyes, and I put a wee bit of MAC Nylon and the wee Urban Decay glitter liner in there too. So to prime, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime, and this is the Skin Based Visage, and I'm just going to put this all over. For foundation, I'm going to use a wee mixture of the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and this is in the shade Natural, and the Urban Decay All Nighter, and this is in the shade 6. For concealer, I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C6.5, and mine is nearly done. And this is going to prevent us from looking like we've got pink eye. I forgot to put mascara on this eye. This bottom eye. You didn't notice that. And we're just blending that concealer in. To powder, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, just on the same wee brush that I blend out my concealer with. Okay, then for bronzer, we're going in with my favourite MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Dark, and a big massive brush. I'm gonna bronze up them cheeks. And we can't forget about the 5 head. And then with a slightly more normal sized brush, I'm going to kind of run it down sides of my nose. If someone could teach me how to actually contour my nose, that would be lovely, because at the minute I just go, and it's not straight. Let me see. I look like it was broke as a child, but this is actually just the way it is. So, you know how people that have dodgy noses are always like, oh yeah, I fell off my bike when I was 7. Like Chloe here, I fell off my bike. No.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
This is just the way my face is. I don't even have an excuse for it. So we're just working with what we got, gals. Then for contour, I'm taking my absolutely boggin Shade and Light palette and a slightly thinner brush, and I'm going to use this really cool tone shade. Okay, then blusher, so that whenever you know he's cracking all the jokes, you can be like, oh, and a wee blush cheeks, and he'll think he's brilliant. So we're using California, and we're just popping it on, kind of in between where the bronzer and the highlighter is going to be. And a pinky blush maybe would look better with this, but I just love peaches. Right, we are doing MAC Fix Plus. And we're going to grab our Mitchell Be Perfect palette. And I had a beautiful wee Kaylee blending brush to use with this highlighter brush, but Dixie Pug, my lovely dog, got the hold of it. So just because I haven't actually washed it yet, since it has been chewed in her mouth, I'm going to use my Zeva one. And since we're all pinky, I'm going to use a wee mixture of Beyblade and In Blankets. It's got a kind of pinky undertone. Kind of taking it up there too. Highlighting all that lovely texture I've got. And the Cupid's bow, tip of the nose. Okay, for lips, I'm going to use MAC Whirl Lip Liner. And we're using the lip liner so they're long wearing, you know, for all you gals that are going wee smoochy smoochy. I'm actually really embarrassed. Why did I just do that? Going in with MAC Velvet Teddy. Then I'm going to use the Morphe Abracadabra lip gloss. Sort of finished. And then I'm going to spray myself again with Fix Plus. And then another wee spritz of All Nighter Setting Spray by Urban Decay. And right now. Oh! Just had to re-pierce my ear. So that's me all finished now and all ready to go out, even though I'm not going on a date. Anyway, thank you very, very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe, share it, comment, whatever you like. Yeah, send me a wee message and tell me what you think. And I really like getting messages about people telling me what videos they want to see. So yes, thanks very much.